Hey people, I hope you're good. Right, I'm so amped about this unboxing right here. I want to shout out my homie Gianluca in Rome, holding it down at blackboxstore.com. They've got 2 stores as well. They've got one in Napoli and one in Rome. And I had the pleasure of meeting Gianluca and his whole team last year when I DJ'd for the opening party for Sashiko, which is Italy's #1 festival convention dedicated to street culture, street style and sneakers, etc. And yeah, but anyway, to these shoes. So I reached out when I heard that Black Box Store were getting the Sashiko Air Jordan 4. And I was just like, wow. I saw the pictures and I was just so stunned. I was just like, these things look absolutely gorgeous. And for the uninitiated, Sashiko is a form of embroidery that dates back to the 17th century Edo period in Japan, where garments would be resurrected. They'd, receive new life. You'd have a white thread being thrust through indigo dyed fabrics to sustain their life, patches, reinforcement, etc. So it was one of the first instances of upcycling, you could say, and very sustainable in that initiative as well, which is absolutely wicked. But anyway, to the shoes, right? Check it out. The box features the traditional Sashiko style patterns that were employed during that period all the way through to the 19th century. And it's good to see that this art now is receiving a new lease of life. But just look at the beautiful tones on the box. So you've got the indigo, you've got the red, and you've got the white right there. So anyway, the shoes. The Air Jordan 4 for me is my favourite shoe of all time. Debuted in 1989 on the feet of Michael Jordan on the court when he was playing for the Chicago Bulls, as we already know. But to this version here, for me, this is a top 5. I really do say a top 5 execution of the Air Jordan 4. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the shape. But I'm going to go AMSR on you and take you right through to the indigo dyed fabric so you can get up close and just see the different patterns and how all these elements are very playful but work so cohesively. Look at the translucent back panel. So you can see the Sashiko pattern underneath. The same with the wings on the side. Look at that beautiful piece of the mudguard right there. The sole unit. So dope. You got red laces on this pair here. Look at the contrast though, right there. Absolutely hard, right? And then on the inside as well. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And then you've got the other shoe. So this one here is completely different to the right foot. The individuality, that expression shining through. Absolutely, so stunning. So stunning. So for me, these bad boys, unquestionably one of the releases of the year. I'm not bothered about the resale. I don't really care about that. I just care about how dope a pair of shoes looks. And these ones here are so neck snapping, but the intricacy that is involved in making these shoes is so apparent. The story, the history of the technique employed makes this shoe so phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, I want to shout out my family from Black Box Store for looking out. Gianluca, I really do appreciate you, my brother. And I wish you continued success in these very hard times. And you people out there, stay safe, stay healthy. One love.